So hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a glam room beauty room tour. I did record this video and upload it a few hours ago, but the footage was dark and I feel like you guys really didn't get the whole vibe and the real color. Like I feel like the color was off, just like the day everything was off. So I walked in here, lighting was bright, everything was just like perfect, and I said I'm gonna redo this video. So let's quickly jump into this updated beauty room glam room tour. So this is my doorway, and as soon as I walk in, this is like basically the first thing I see. So when I turn to my right, I have this huge wall, and I have that painting that I DIY'd myself. It was originally that blue color right there, kind of gray color. So I took some glitter gold spray paint that I bought at Lowe's for only like maybe $8-9, very inexpensive, and I spray painted the painting myself, and it's super pretty. As you can see, it's just like she's a glitter moment, and I thought it was very pretty. It just brought the whole room together because I had it hung there and it was just not matching my whole aesthetic. So I do have a DIY project coming soon for this wall. I'm gonna make something and I will document it, so don't worry, I'm not gonna say anymore. And of course, right next to the wall, I have this beautiful mirror that used to be my daughter's mirror, but she was no longer using it. We didn't have it in her room, and the color was white. So I took some regular gold, kind of metallic spray paint and spray painted the mirror, and I think it came out super pretty. Like, she's a moment. And also here I have this beautiful plant. It's a real plant. I don't know exactly the type of plant that it is, but I bought the bucket at Lowe's for only maybe $6-7. It was black, and I spray painted it with the same spray paint that I used to spray paint the mirror, which is crazy, but you see how it looks kind of like a matte gold kind of. It's really pretty. Also brings the whole room together. So that I have hanging there. And the mirror is leaning on kind of like this little tripod canvas holder type of thing. That's the original color. I did not want to spray paint that, so I left it as is. So right next to that, I have my chair that I use for clients. I'm not doing any more makeup on people at the moment, you know, due to COVID, so I'm not using it. So right now it's kind of like a decorative chair. I have a pink throw blanket on it, some cute little teddy bears, and yeah, it's sitting right there right next to that. Mind you, I bought that chair and this chair at Walmart online, so also with the desk, because the desk matches or has that similar vibe as the Alex 9 drawers from Ikea. So that's the Alex 9 drawers. These are not. This is from Walmart. So, but you see, has that vibe. So yeah, the desk here, I also topped the desk with marble contact paper that I got off of Amazon. Super inexpensive, very easy to put on, but it's a moment as well, you know. Everything in here is pretty much a vibe. You know, I need vibes all around me. And the lamp I spray painted as well with the same color spray paint. And I also DIY'd that little box with the glitter spray paint. So I'm looking for a shade for it, like a lampshade. I'm looking for glitter, not glitter, a crystal type of lampshade to work with that, but I'm on the hunt. I haven't found anything. So yeah, the mirror there is from Ocean State Job Lot. Those brush holders are from TJ Maxx. The lamp was a gift. The little best friend's little wine glass was a gift from my friend. And yeah, that skincare tower is from Amazon. I have a video of all the Amazon goodies that I got and that I did to my room, so go check that video out if you're interested in all the Amazon stuff that I purchased and put in my room. But that was one of them. So yeah, and I just have a wax warmer in the corner. That is the desk. And the mirror here that is on my wall that I use as a vanity mirror is an antique mirror. Super old, super like antique. I didn't know it was an antique until someone on YouTube tagged me on an eBay tag that showed me a lot of information on this mirror, like what year it was made and all that, and how many are currently in rotation like around the world, and it's not many. So I have a rare antique mirror and I got it very cheap as well because it's super expensive. $60 off of my mother-in-law, so very inexpensive, priceless type of find because I'm never gonna get rid of it. It is here to stay. But the mirror is as is. I didn't paint it, I didn't do anything to it. That is the mirror. And then if you just turn to this side of my room, this is the wall that's on the left hand side of my doorway when you come in. And these canvases I got at TJ Maxx for only like maybe $5 or $6, very inexpensive as well, and I really do love them. And the mirror is a full length body mirror that takes up my whole entire wall, and I love it. That also I bought as is. I got that at Walmart, maybe $40-50. It wasn't that expensive. Like, it was a nice bargain for how big of a mirror this is. So yeah. And right next to that, I added these acrylic floating shelves, which I am super obsessed with. Also an Amazon find. And on these shelves, I just have some empty, beautiful kind of makeup boxes on the top shelf because I'm a hoarder and I have a problem with throwing things away. Yeah, that's me. And on the other shelf, I have just my perfumes. On that one, I have beautiful display kind of makeup, or makeup that I want to display. And also on the other shelf too, I have pretty makeup that I want to display and my sunglasses. So everything just is right there, and it's really cute. It kind of makes for like a cutesy backdrop when I'm taking pictures and stuff for IG. So yeah, it's a moment. And then right here, this is my closet, and it's not a pretty sight. That's why I have it hidden behind these cute pink curtains. But this is my closet, nothing special. It is organized because Stephanie is a neat freak, so I refuse to have anything less. And what I did is, because it didn't have like a door, so I just bought a rod at Walmart, and it was only like maybe $4 for that rod. Hang curtains up if you don't have like a closet door or anything. Like, it's super inexpensive and it just works perfect. And right next to that, I have my Ikea Alex 9 drawers. On top, I just have my acrylic lipstick tower, which I like to call my lipstick tower, with all my lippies, lip glosses in there. Have my setting sprays. The acrylic case, by the way, they were separate pieces, but I put them together, and I got that on eBay or Amazon. It was so long ago, I don't remember, but I had them for a while. And right here are the drawers. All the organizers in here I also got on Amazon. Check that video out. And the knobs were also purchased on Amazon, and I Gorilla super glued them to my drawers. I know, but look how pretty they look though. They came out really nice. So yeah. And then right next to that is my shelf. The shelf was originally, or is, 3 feet tall, and I just hated how short they were. When I first ordered it, I thought it was a big shelf, and I didn't check my measurements clearly. So what I did is I propped it up on top of this little organizer that technically goes inside my desk as like a filing cabinet. But I have my lashes, hair ties, and stuff in there, kind of just, you know, organized in there. And I just popped the shelf right on top, and it worked out really nice. You know, it worked. I have just my little traveling little knickknacks on top. And also my candles, just cute displayed items. My body mists and lotions are right there, and my jewelry and just miscellaneous things are right there. And yeah, that is it for my room. And also the rug, if I didn't mention, the rug is from Walmart. I'm going to replace it. Oh, and how can I forget my beautiful chandelier? Isn't she gorgeous? How can I forget? This is my room in better lighting, of course, because the lighting earlier just sucked and I did not like the footage, so I had to update everything for you guys so you guys can really get the vibe in my room. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I will be doing makeup tutorials very soon for you guys, so stay tuned for those. But yeah, this is my 2020 updated glam room beauty room tour. If you guys enjoy, please subscribe to my channel. If you guys are into makeup related videos, hauls, shop my stashes, tutorials, anything that has to do with makeup and obviously decorating, subscribe to my channel, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys on my next